Hey there, everyone, and welcome to Firearm Payments 101, brought to you by TacticalPay. So if you're an FFL or operate any kind of firearms-related business, then you already know finding the right credit card processor isn't as simple as signing up with the first company you see online, right? That's because not every processor is actually firearm-friendly. In fact, many of the biggest names in payments either prohibit gun-related transactions entirely or make life difficult with restrictive policies, surprise shutdowns, or poor support when it comes to compliance. So what should FFLs look for when trying to find the best gun-friendly credit card processor? Let's break it down. First, let's be clear. There are only a handful of payment processors that specialize in working with the firearms industry, and TacticalPay is proud to be one of them. And to truly be a firearm-friendly payments company, there are several key traits. The best processors for FFLs all have a deep understanding of the regulatory environment that firearms businesses operate in. That means they know what ATF regulations require, how federal and state laws can impact payment acceptance, and what documentation is needed to keep your account compliant and active. If a processor can't speak confidently about these things, it's a red flag. Second, they offer consistent, transparent underwriting. A firearms merchant account is not the same as a typical retail account. Underwriting for gun shops and ranges involves specialized risk review, and the best processors don't just approve accounts. They clearly explain the approval process, required documentation, and any reserve policies up front. That kind of transparency builds trust and saves you from surprises down the road. Third, the best gun-friendly processors support the integrations and platforms you actually use. Whether you're selling online through GunBroker, using a shopping cart platform like WooCommerce, or running a brick-and-mortar gun store with a point-of-sale system, your processor should help you integrate smoothly, not leaving you scrambling with clunky workarounds. Fourth, they deliver strong customer support. When you're in a specialized industry like firearms, you can't afford to wait on hold or explain your business over and over again to a support rep who doesn't understand your needs. The best processors offer dedicated service reps, fast response times, and people who actually understand the firearm space. And another key factor, fair and competitive pricing without excessive fees or hidden surcharges. A good processor will walk you through the pricing structure and make sure you understand exactly what you're paying for. And lastly, good processors are proactive about compliance. They'll notify you of potential issues before they become problems, keep you informed about changes in policy, and give you tools to keep your account in good standing. That's not just helpful, it's critical for long-term stability. At TacticalPay, we've built our entire business around serving this industry. From FFLs to ranges to specialty retailers, we understand the unique challenges firearm businesses face when it comes to payments. That's why we offer tailored solutions, deep industry expertise, and the kind of service that actually helps you grow your business. So if you're currently shopping for a gun-friendly credit card processor, or if you've had issues with a processor in the past, it's worth making sure you're working with someone who truly understands this space. All right, thank you so much for watching today's episode of Firearm Payments 101. And if you found this helpful, please be sure to subscribe for more insights just like this. And if you're looking for payment solutions tailor-made for firearms businesses, head over to TacticalPay.com, and we'll see you next time.